TOEFL Registration. Step-by-step and fee breakdown. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the process of registering for the TOEFL exam and understanding the fee structure. Knowing this can help you plan ahead and ensure a smooth registration process. Let's get started. The Test of English as a Foreign Language, or TOEFL, is a standardized test to measure the English language proficiency of non-native speakers wishing to enroll in English-speaking universities. It is accepted by many academic institutions around the world. Before you start the registration process, 1. Decide the test format. TOEFL is offered in two formats: IBT, Internet-based test, and PBT, paper-based test. IBT is more commonly available. 2. Choose a test date and center. Go to the official TOEFL website to find available test dates and centers near you. Register online. This is the most popular way to register. 1. Create a profile. On the official TOEFL registration site, create your personal profile. This profile will have all your details and will be used for all future interactions. 2. Select the test date and center. Choose from the available options. 3. Fill in personal details. Ensure that the name you register with matches the one on your ID. You will need to show this ID on the test day. 4. Pay the registration fee. You can pay using a debit, credit card, an electronic check, or other payment methods available in your region. Register by phone. You can also call the registration center in your region and register over the phone. Register by mail. Download and fill out the form available on the TOEFL site, and send it along with the payment to the address mentioned. The fee for TOEFL varies by country. However, as a general range, TOEFL IBT, the cost typically ranges from $160 to $250. TOEFL PBT, this format costs less, usually around $180. Apart from the registration fee, be aware of late registration fees. If you're registering close to the test date, you might need to pay an additional amount. Rescheduling fees. If you need to change your test date. Reinstatement of canceled scores. There's a fee if you decide to reinstate a score you had previously canceled. There you have it. We've walked through the TOEFL registration process and got a clear picture of the associated fees. We hope this information helps you in your preparation journey. Good luck, and always remember, preparation is the key to success.